Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our preventive maintenance series, we're going to discuss retaining walls. A retaining wall is a structure used to stabilize sloping ground and to prevent erosion. Retaining walls are constructed to redistribute the lateral pressure of sloping ground. A myriad of materials are used in the construction of retaining walls. The most common materials in retaining walls are poured concrete and concrete block. There are also interlocking concrete blocks that are used in retaining walls that offer vast flexibility in construction because they do not require mortar to hold the blocks together. Retaining walls are also commonly constructed of treated lumber and use railroad ties. Poured concrete retaining walls are generally vertical, while interlocking blocks in wood are generally sequentially steps or tiers. These tiers may not only be structurally necessary, they may help in erosion control as well. Tiers may be more aesthetically pleasing than vertical concrete walls as well. Tier retaining walls can include different types of plantings or material in each tier to bring more interest to the area. A tier design may also provide more effective erosion control by distributing soil and therefore structural weight held by each division of the wall. An important element of a retaining wall is the weep holes, or the seepage holes, which allow groundwater to escape. This release should reduce the pressure created by accumulated water and help keep the wall structurally stable.